come again for this another episode for this honorable court, this love court. The only court where we not dey persecute but we dey analyze, where we not dey jail people, we not dey talk about who thief, but we dey talk about relationship matter. And I get two wonderful guests again as usual for the one where my beautiful sister here, Queen Edora, yes. And so she tell me her name, say my name is Queen Edora. You are welcome. And my brother there, smartly dressed, Samuel.
Samuel Oaridi.
Samuel Oaridi.
Limelight.
Yeah, Limelight.
Yes.
Welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And today, our topic today say who cheats most in relationship. Bagam. And that's I don't talk the topic now. Everywhere don't post. Bagam again. But before we go that, because na real matter. You say relationship matter no dey finish you. As we dey try to dey talk every day by the topic dey fall out everywhere. Topic wey don inbox now no be here. People don dey DM me for far place, for different topic. E no dey finish. But before we go enter this topic today, we go pledge to the honorable court. Now if you watch the program before now, you go put your hand for your chest and you go say
I, Samuel Oaridi.
Yes, pledge to this honorable court.
Pledge to this honorable court.
Say anything when I go talk.
Say anything when I go talk.
Go be the real matter.
Go be the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
And nothing but the real matter.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Yes, now welcome, now welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Now don't pledge to this honorable court now. Now, first of all, to the lady now, what thing you feel say be cheating? What is the definition of cheating? They say something, they cheat.
Well, to me, cheating, the way I tell you define my own cheating. Cheating na when you suppose take what you not supposed to take. As you know, say the thing the other person own, then you can't take am. Or you know say you get, then you want to call a smart person. You want to call like maybe you see something and you get your own. Then you want still take that thing. Then you want a smart, you want me you get take that thing. And that mean take define as my own cheating. And that be my own.
Okay, that be your own.
Yes.
Brother, what thing you understand? What do you tell us about say what be cheating? What do you tell the public say they say cheating? What be cheating?
Thank you very much. The truth be say cheating there of different types. But this one we dey talk here na love court.
Yes.
So we
kind of good relationship.
relationship. Cheating be say, you know, when you get your own.
Yeah.
Like my sister talk, you get your own. But your eye the day another person own, you dey want to have person own to your own. You understand? That one I be cheating, but we get different type of cheating. But for this love court matter, now when wetin you get e no dey satisfy you, you wan take person own join your own to make sure say you dey.
Na your partner na you dey cheat. Na your partner na you na the person wey you and dey relationship you dey cheat, or na you dey cheat yourself, or na the other person wey never dey relationship na you dey cheat.
The truth be say in this context now wey we talk about cheating, you dey cheat on your partner.
Okay.
Yes, because your partner na your own, like I talked before.
Because you know why me ask? Because by the time like now, cheating matter. Because like now, I can't go. Maybe I call the government. You understand? I call the government. I call the carry money. Now government now me the cheat.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
And government so me the cheat the public. Now me
Yes.
cheat now.
Yes.
So in this context now okay, now make the talk say okay, now your partner.
I start. I say cheating there of different type. I say, but for the sake of love court and relationship matter, we go analyze them in that. And if not, like that's what we talk now. You cheat government. All those ones are cheating generally. If they into different set, you understand?
Okay. All right. Okay. So like say maybe I can't take government. Now understand? If I if I can't take, maybe I can't loot money. Say that one now government now me dey cheat. So now this cheating. So now who you call a cheat now?
This one now for this relationship matter now, you dey cheat your partner because you dey take another person own for outside dey join your partner wey already get for house.
Okay, that is to say before person cheat, the person must not dey relationship.
Exactly.
Okay, person wey not like say he not dey committed say I dey date this person and this person me dey with. Person just dey do for everywhere. That one no dey cheat.
All those ones na still cheating because all those ones na still cheating because so long as you don dey with one person, that one suppose satisfy you, but you come comot there take another man.
No, see.
You still get one who say if you tell your partner say see o I no dey like just one person I dey like to to taste other person and that partner agree
no be
cheating again but if that partner no agree or maybe you no even tell at all na that one yawa dey.
Okay, so meaning say for relationship now, fit the relationship now, we don get that mutual understanding say as you see me so ogbolo soup no dey reach me o, I dey like to add edika o, I dey add goosey soup dey put o, and if the girl accept no be cheating.
No be cheating. The girl no fit talk sit down and cheat anymore because she don already agree.
I say that no be cheating. Na be say
see matter.
Honestly speaking, be say the girl no like you in the first place. So if I go give you that leverage, say you dey with you, but you be person be say dey chop ogbolo, chop egusi, chop edikaiko. You understand?
But guys dey like that kind of thing. Guys dey like to dey like that.
Yes, guys dey wey dey like am like that.
Okay, now okay, we don agree na say cheating na for person wey dey relationship.
Yes.
And for wetin my sister talk, people say you no too agree o. He say if they get mutual understanding, say my guy, get some people talk say even if my guy cheat, he's still my guy. If you like say my guy nude picture, he's still my guy. If you like catch my guy for another place with another girl, he's still my guy. Until be say we start this relationship, we go nowhere. You get people like that. Okay. Then now let's go back to the question. In relationship, who dey cheat pass?
Both dey cheat o. Man dey cheat, woman dey cheat.
But who dey cheat?
But na men dey cheat pass.
Na men dey cheat pass.
Yes,
why you say na men dey cheat pass? Wetin you don get experience or you don get testimonies or you don get you don get people wey relate stories with you wey say we fit say or which statistics you do to show say na men.
Based on the people me dey around me.
That be yourself you do.
Yes.
Like which kind of example?
Like now for instance, I get one guy in a married person but him wife no dey satisfy am for house. The next thing from one person to another and he is proud to even say it.
Say ogbolo soup no dey reach am.
Yes, but him wife was no know.
Okay,
but
the wife no know.
He no know but he is proud to say it
outside.
yes outside. And as in the thing dey make me vex. You get your own wife for house, e no satisfy you. If you know say you not ready for marriage, you want to jump from one bed to another, no need make you get married before now. There's no need. Yeah. So lots of men, they are in fact they are cheaters. Cheaters everywhere. Okay, you'll see one nice one will marry. Go say I don't marry, at least I don't marry. Okay, I need JC down that place, Carol down that place. Okay, now I need.
What they talk now? Before marriage, inside relationship, now say they date now. How they talk now? So you dey mean say na girls na dey faithful pass for relationship?
Mostly na girls.
Na girls.
Na girls dey faithful pass.
Okay, so you mean say girls? Not they say they do say okay, I like this one, I like that one, I like that one. Girls not they do mixture.
Girls they do mixture, but na men and they do am pass. Okay, na boys and they do am pass.
For your mind.
Yes. For my own part too.
My brother, put man for that thing. For you, boys and girls, who they cheat? Who cheat pass for relationship?
Like she talk, both they cheat too. But from experience, what me I don't experience, I go say, na girls cheat pass. Yes, so because girls when you see so, you only see girls maybe say one side now or even bedside, even join or not join. But generally, he had. Some of them will tell you say, I love this guy, but I just like to be play around. You understand? I dey date a maker for instance, but I want to follow Peterson because I want to get backup in case anything happen. Not say they get reserve, they get backup. So
not like me don't see post like that. Not like say some girls post say it is risky to be dating one guy. What if accident not kill one? So it is
you understand? And so they do. Most of them say, okay, I love this guy, I love her well, I really like him. but this other guy, so the way they dress and they like am. Why you know people accuse your guy make you dey dress the way that guy dey dress? They say you dey like this one, so according to you, you love am well well. But you go still comot go dey follow that one dey waka. All those ones na cheating. You understand? So to me, this na girls na shit pass.
Okay, Queen, see now we don agree say every the two partner dey cheat to normal, but you say na boys cheat pass, you say na girls cheat pass. Now wetin make you feel say as a girl, wetin make you feel say could be the reason wey girl go take go dey cheat for relationship? He don agree for this guy, he say like the guy, na make am start the relationship. Wetin make you feel say he go come go dey say the guy still come comot go dey cheat?
It all depends on the guy.
Okay, na the guy hand the day.
Wait, na the guy hand na dey. Because depend on the way make the guy take treat the girl. If you be say the guy no dey treat the girl well,
What aspect?
like my own experience o. This guy, okay, we come dey date. Then any small thing, maybe cause me I dey like to make all back. I don't like to even use attachment. I just use my natural hair to do all back.
Yeah.
Then if I go greet am, the next thing, why did you come here with all back? Can't you see the way your mates are dressing? Can't you make a good hair? Can't you look nice?
Okay.
That kind of thing. Cause me, I don't dey want one person they compare me to that person because all fingers not equal.
Alright.
Then I'll come dress. You come tell me say, you know see the way that get a dress sexy. Then why be saying I was also trouser now you dey always dey wear. You don't behave like person wey no even get boyfriend. If na you, I want to use that thing. Then, but to me, it depends on the girl sha too. Then some fit just take am and say, no, I can't take this. In fact, there are lots of guys outside.
Okay.
Then you still go.
Okay.
There are some girls who still talk say, let me just end the relationship so that other guys make them go appreciate me.
Okay.
Go come.
Okay, but some call the relationship.
They
not
don't
end down. It's called go dey cheat.
They will still go
for
dey
outside.
cheat.
Okay.
Because of wetin they see for that relationship, because of wetin their partner dey show them.
But Uncle Sam abi.
Yes, sir.
See, is it justified to dey relationship wey you know say you not dey satisfied, you still go dey cheat?
E no really dey justifiable anyway, because if you know say you no dey satisfied, wetin me I go advise? Quit and then you go do anything. Not be say you know say you no dey satisfied o, you no wan leave the guy make you go find another different person say you go take dey. You dey dey with am, you dey wan still do something outside.
No. Wetin make as a guy, wetin you feel say because now we dey go out sometimes we dey get friends. All these things dey happen around us, not be far, not be for Sokoto for dey happen, not be for Kafata dey happen. E dey happen right around us. Wetin make you feel say most times wetin the reason wey dey make guys dey cheat?
Most times to me I feel say wetin make many things dey wey dey make guys cheat anyway. But I think one, maybe he get attitude perhaps towards him family or towards him friends. You understand? Then maybe not be that meek type wey be say they like take corrections. If say you wan correct, he go dey wan tell you say man I too know.
Then you go find that woman wey dey take correction abi?
Maybe if you as a guy normal sometimes you can say okay, since you no dey wan take corrections and I no wan break your heart, make e no be like say for your class okay I no want now come be like say make I just get a substitute.
Okay,
so,
okay, come get substitute player. Okay, instead of you to just break
break it up like say you just break your heart, take am and knack am because say this guy you wicked o, this guy you just you go decide to say okay make I get substitute. Then maybe with time I go find a way to do away with her. Maybe I go find a way maybe when she don make one small mistake I just pass the class say I no want. You understand? Rather than your class say abeg go because say you no want to adhere to instructions or something. You understand?
Like me now, if I dey relationship, if another guy ask me out, I would like to tell my other partner. I say see o, say wetin happen o. Then person say my follow am go out o. Then he no talk. Maybe if he talk, if he not talk, if he say no go, Then if I can't go with that guy, e no mean say I cheat with am. I cheat,
Okay,
I cheat on
just
my.
go act.
And you just go. I not me say I cheat
Like
on
normal
my.
friendly,
So
yeah.
far, I don't already tell my partner say see you so person ask me. Even if I don't tell them before I go, maybe if I come back, I come to and say see Bobo see you, sweetie happen or sweetie so somebody just ask me out to them, just go buy me things. That one I no fit call that one cheating.
Okay,
I'm not
then.
cheating on them.
That will not be cheating. That will not be cheating. Now get mutual understanding before you
Yes.
come out. That will not be cheating.
Now, sometimes we don't see situation like say some girls or guys they cheat because of say maybe their friend. Maybe you say my friends they get they no one get one babe. You hear them talk out of fun like okay, ma call this babe now. Oh wait, that babe now you come just now. You see that baby yesterday. I said that like no. Some guys because I believe that make girls they talk say guys they cheat more because sometimes guys they do these things out of fun. My friends they do.
And they ginger them to cheat before.
But girls, girls now boys they cheat as in terms of men, but say in terms of number like if they do one, but girls they decoded. Because I just feel like say girl don't dey, girl go cheat on guy not fit cheat on girl more than few times for a year, less than girl the girl go find out. But girl fit dey cheat for relationship
Constantly.
for the next 5 years.
No go no.
That's true.
Abi?
Yes.
That's so. Na fact.
No.
Because I get friend me like that.
Na girl.
Yes,
Na bachelor she be.
I swear.
Na the guy no go even know at all.
No go know.
Everything go. No, because all these things. Okay, now if you dey relationship as a girl, you get any sign wey you tell no if your guy dey cheat? What have you get any sign wey you feel say person fit dey detective this guy my guy dey cheat?
Yeah, many signs dey.
Like
One, if you dey relationship and you wan know whether your guy dey cheat, one, if that mutual relationship, if e dey shrink,
okay.
if e dey shrink, then you know say something don dey sup. Then two, me if I wan catch boy wey dey cheat, if I wan catch am, maybe we dey waka for road, because me I sabi look person well, you no know them, we no know that I dey look you. If you just dey waka, you just see am, if one babe just pass, you just dey look the babe, look am.
That because me don see person see that one for me for me me don see person like say yeah babe go dey go yeah if you get where you get big back as for your pass yeah the babe go dey gossip am say see that babe you see her house say see her if you even come back house dey tell the babe say me if you see one girl wey na see today this girl too go find if you see her.
But you no go dey talk like that na.
No matter
that thing fit discourage am, fit make that girl.
No, this one say the girl don understand the way I understand the way a guy be. You understand? Say my guy he dey like to just if you see girl he go comment, he go make a comment, but that no be the you understand? When people dey tell you come say signs wey be like say you really know say if guy don start to dey do this kind thing he don dey cheat. So you know say be like this my guy dey cheat. Na those signs so now we dey try to talk about it.
Okay. Then depends on the girls may they keep and how to they work out with them. Yes. Because if one particular girl fit just dey now, then we do make to relate with that girl.
Yeah.
As in the relationship, as you come past the one they give you self, the attention may they give you. So as for me, I've noticed something like that, and when I found out the thing was true. Yeah, the thing was true.
Your things don't tell you before.
Yeah, don't tell you before. This girl, I don't understand. This I mean, every moment phone call, you dey call her. They're waiting, babe, what's up? Then if I ask her, I will say, no, we're just friends. Then later, now I catch them.
Mr. Samuel, you as a guy, what be those signs when you feel say, as if you know, say, must get this girl may have a fairly date. What be those waka? I will tell you, say, this waka which they do so, this attempt, not be say maybe something they wrong for the relationship, not because say maybe she they cheat.
Well, for girls, like you talked before, it is hard for you to know. But I think some of the few signs you say she will start to give you attitudes. Especially maybe if you come doctor, they prefer that guy pass you. Will start to give you attitude. Sometimes you call, you not go pick your call. You say if you see your missed call before, he will already call you back. But sometimes you see your missed call 3, 4. He not call you for the next 2-3 hours. So you go call her, if he pick, you say, oh sorry, I been leave the phone for somewhere before. I just dey pick the call. I just dey see the call now. I don't know say the phone ring. You understand? There are times you go dey chat with her, send her message. If you read the message, you go take her ages to reply. She go just dey find small unnecessary excuses wey be say e no even join. You understand? You know say that one don dey see someone else. You understand? So that na one major way to know say this girl e don dey see another person. You understand? E no go dey give you that 100% attention wey e dey give you before. That attention go drop. You understand?
All right. Okay. Nice one. Queen, if you dey relationship, you find yourself for a relationship, like say you don find out now say your guy dey cheat, wetin you go do, and wetin you go give as advice to girls wey find themselves for this kind of relationship, wey like say their guy dey cheat on them?
First and foremost, I'll call the guy.
Okay.
I'll make me understand the reason why he do that.
Why they cheat on you?
Yes, why he cheat on me.
Uh-huh.
Then if I come to say the reason may give, na senseless reason may I put on that way, then I'll back up.
You back up?
Because he know what it.
You know go try to straight the relationship and all that.
I don't used to say the reason may give me. The reason not good.
Not the tangible.
Not the tangible. Then I'll back up. Then I'll not say, okay, this guy not fell in love before. No, he not fell when even ready for relationship before. And not just to the pian for one corner. So because of that, I'll just back up.
Now that has to be your advice to the guest gang.
So my own advice say, if you get boyfriend, you say you can't find out say the guy they cheat. First of all, call him, ask him for the reason. If you say the reason not good, you say the reason to you not good though, then you back up. Or maybe you firstly ask maybe the guy can't give you the reason, then you can't want try to like straighten things up, then the guy they give you attitude. Then you just let him go. Because many guys will come, they will appreciate you more.
Alright, let's say this cheating matter, based on our society. If you come to cheating, let's say now guys they pimp us. No,
guys, I agree. Up to 70%, which is 80%, which is
that guys
are the pimp
us. Okay, now you as a guy.
Charlie, if the guy love the girl.
Yes. Even don't love the girl.
If he not to love the girl, Charlie, when he gets some backup, he not go to pay now.
So you go see pay now me. Guys
now.
See, guys there you go. Guys there you go.
There you go. But therefore, we have to pay now well. If we say now only that girl he date, come love the girl well, come find another kind of thing, and he go pay now 90 to 95%.
But if he gets substitute, no.
If he gets substitute, he go pay now. Or say this girl just they go like that, but he not go be like.
Okay. Now you as a guy now, you go find and say, okay, they cheat on you. Or your calls come one day, don't come and ask. As they come and ask, they pass me the window, they hear, what did you go do?
First of all, I go first, for the first say I hear ewo for a room, you know me say, I will conclude say,
no, this one you find out say really they carry wawa. As in you
know say wetin you talk be say if I dey pass maybe I go dey hear for the window.
Like
but after me hear for the window I must first go confirm.
You don't hear for the window now.
Na two way thing.
When you come to hear
na two way thing.
If I don't hear for the window now, you come see. You come see and say yes. Then they make a rise.
The truth be saying, when I see them, acquaintance will tell me whether she still wants that relationship with me or not.
Okay.
If I see her for her face say, you know that kind of shock, she come they like who they regret the thing.
Yeah.
You understand? Find a way to push the guy out from one try to one beg. You understand? I will say okay. I feel the one I fit to another side I will consider. I fit the one consider. But if after I see her, just like say,
okay, when you tell me that, I say as a man,
yes,
the girl website you see on top of the matter, as in the guy they minister to run well, they start everywhere.
I understand.
Will you take that kind of girl back? You go take her back.
It depends.
Better.
If he tell me a reason, say I see the reason, say e dey cogent enough.
Say he dey
come, yes. Then I go still observe am after some time. No be say I go just accept am that instant. E not possible. Because I go assume and say if to say I don marry am before, he can't do that kind of thing. I go just pursue am instantly. I go see find out the reasons why he do am.
Yeah.
Yes, so
My people, is there any good reason to cheat? Is there any good reason to cheat?
There is no good reason. No good reason. But sometimes situations, circumstances, they make person do some kind of things wey no wan do. Yes. Okay. You understand? So in that case, I go first want to know whether she really dey remorseful in the first place before we come know how we take settle later. But e no go be for that place that is
I don't know what they like. I see the one part the picture for you. Okay, now if you come find out, say now you give her. Let's say she not dey remorseful. She was like, not be you. Then what now? Never finish now. You dey hurry.
Oh yeah, finish.
Then later, then you go first go ask. Then later, she go test you. Go dey download the reasons. Go dey tell you say, wetin the reason say na you cause am wey she take make am. But she no go feel that remorseful because you dey say na that remorseful. But she no go feel remorseful. But she go tell you say you are the cause. Na you cause am. Like duh.
See whether I do or not do the first thing like I talk before, if I see her countenance that instant say she dey remorseful, even after I don see her, I go even waka come, I no go even lis ten to her for the but I just see that countenance, and then come later I come dey explain. But no be say you come cast blames. I mean say na you cause her, like the way Adam dey tell God say na the woman. No be say you come cast blames. But I see after I say dey remorseful, come first of all he start to beg. When he come later dey beg. But no be say as I see you do duh, you come. In fact, when you book concept, the door na go tell you duh. You understand that kind of thing. Na so it be.
Okay, so even if you dey wrong, you push her.
But if I push her, let me push her.
Okay,
so long as that is true, she not dey remorseful. If they say like one come do like say na him be the ogbonge after maybe for instance, if person me dey cheat for instance, then cause okay na payback time, they are conscient. You know
see the cheat.
Don't maybe don't ever see me dey cheat.
Teach man.
You see, man and man. Na shitty matter we dey talk.
Two times they come for you.
Na shitty matter we dey talk here so. See, there's no good reason, but like wetin I dey talk, I no go just castigate am. You understand? Even for Bible sef, Jesus Christ tell them say, if you know say you never commit before, be the first to throw the stone. Okay. You understand? Okay. So I go see reason am in some other perspective. If I first see her countenance that instant, say na person wey really dey remorseful, that fear I see am for her body, and before he come. But say I no see am, he just dey normal say after na you first shit, you come just dey do. If you later come, I no go even answer, I no go even fact. Na that place where I go dey come, and that dey delete your number, everything, and then for the end. You understand? That's how it be.
Alright now. As for this whole matter now, wetin be your conclusion? Wetin you feel say for this cheating matter, say who dey cheat most for the relationship? You see sound say na men dey cheat pass. Yes. But wetin you say?
Me I say na woman cheat pass because even if we go to analysis even do research and everything sef, actually the way the whole thing dey trend is say DNA test don dey come for different we go know say na women na dey cheat pass. So make we not go down a topic for another day, but make we not go that side. You understand? Make we have leave that one for another day. Another day matter. So na so it be.
My people, una see the matter today. They say who dey cheat pass for the relationship. They say na boys. The other one say na girls. But you go agree with me. They say boys be like dog. Be like say if you eat, you go use am take rub mat any year. But girls, their own, they be like cat. Wey they go do am? They go suffer down. They go meow meow. When you no go know. So the thing is, the both party dey cheat, but cheating no good for relationship. Na cheating na cheating. You dey one party no dey happy dey put. Na make am dey call am say na cheating. E no dey healthy to the relationship. So e no good. We go see dey take una comment. The comment na very very important aspect of this show. Drop your comment who you feel say dey cheat pass and wetin be say na your reason for you to say na this person na boy dey cheat pass or na girl dey cheat pass. If you don still get experience in your instances wey make you dey talk, give us. No, we like am like that. Na so, because na be the make use of this program Love Court to in order to balance relationship matter. My wonderful guest, una too much for una take talk una mind, take spoken una mind.
Thank you for the privilege.
Na so, because na for una dey talk the matter, the real matter. Na people na the real matter we dey talk since for this Love Court. We go dey meet una another time. We go dey meet una the next week with another exciting topic. Make una not forget to dey follow our social media handle. As we dey talk am, if you get any topic wey you feel say make we do, drop am for our DM, or if you drop am for the comment section, well, we go check am, we go know, we go get back to una. This na Love Court, the only court where we no dey persecute but rather we dey analyze. I remain your one and only host, Christian Ocheli. Peace here. I'm signing out.
Thank
See you
you.
next
Take
time.
care.
See you next time.
Yeah.